Listen to the kids, bro.
What's up guys, Pramit here. Thank you so much for tuning in. Whether this is your first video or you have been following the channel for some time, appreciate you for tuning in today. If you are new here, feel free to subscribe the channel. You can also find me on Instagram and Twitter at KicksConnect. Feel free to follow me there as well. If you enjoy this video, please do hit the thumbs up button. It does go a long way in helping the channel grow. Now, let's dive into today's review on Yeezy 500. I have the Yeezy 500 Salt here, which sticks with the same monochromatic design used on previous colorways of the bulky lifestyle silhouette. Here, a light grey shade is applied on the layered upper, which is built with the combination of mesh, cow suede, premium leather and nubuck essence. This silhouette does not have boost on it, which is quite interesting. The Yeezy 350s have boost. Even the Wave Runner has boost on it. Premium suede leather on the toe and Adidas logo on the front of the toe. Skeletal leather essence with the white padding mesh and highlighted with 3M piping running across the sides of the sneaker. The name of the colorway is Salt, which goes well with the suede and mesh colorway. As you move upwards of the sneaker, you will notice soft color lace matching with the upper through bug eye eyelets. The tongue is made out of mesh and also has suede leather patches on it and a front pull tab. Moving inside the shoe, you get the same sock liner which has thick padding to give the support to your Achilles. Further down you have the minty color Ortholite Yeezy insole. As for the fit, the 500 fits true to its size and would recommend you guys to go with it as well. Continuing on the upper, you also get a salt color padded mesh with perforations for breathability. Moving towards the heel of the sneaker, you get some more of the suede leather panels with no rear pull tabs. In the midsole of the sneaker, you get the Kobe Bryant 90s basketball Adidas midsole, which was taken by Kanye himself to use on the Yeezys. For those who don't know, Kobe Bryant was initially signed up with Adidas and had its own line of shoes called the KB8s 2s. It is very organically sculpted adiprene midsole, which is pretty comfy and better than your regular EVA midsole and is almost the same compared to the Bounce. Let's move on to the outsole of the sneaker. You get the super organic and almost hypnotically shaped traction TPU packs. The entire shoe is exactly of the same color. Unlike the photo on the Adidas website, the Yeezy 500 Salt is in reality not completely white. Rather, it's somewhere close to a greenish grey combination. It gives you the old school vibe with the multiple patches and layers like a dad trainer. This is a kind of a shoe which a lot of people hated at first, but then when they tried it on, they absolutely loved it. The only negative thing I could find in the whole shoe is just it's of one single color. I wish they would have done something like Puma had done with the Puma RSX collection. That's all folks for today. Hope you like this video. Leave a comment below about your thoughts on these pair and also if you would like me to review any other shoe.